I urge you, invest in your families, invest in your employees, invest in your community, because the cost of doing nothing is just too high. Speaking is about educating and inspiring your audience. So before they leave, they recognize, I can really do this. It comes down to raising awareness. We're all going on this journey together, and you don't have to do it alone. This is our way of helping families understanding the importance of the details. And it's a new concept, and being proactive, it just feels good. I'd like to begin by introducing you to my dad. My dad was a pilot, but probably not the type of pilot you're thinking of. My dad navigated ships through the Panama Canal, and he was Captain Dave. From Russian nuclear submarines to loveboat-style cruise ships, all authority would be handed over to my dad to get those ships safely through the canal. With all of my dad's wealth, success, and power, what he did not have was a plan. Make that call. Start that conversation, and don't wait. Do it today. Take that journey on planning your story. I promise you, they'll be glad you called. Thank you.